Guys, welcome to codinggrammar.com. Today we are going to see how we can install Visual Studio Community version for 2019 in our Windows desktop or Windows laptop. So first of all, we'll quickly launch Google and there we'll type Visual Studio 2019 and the first link that comes up, that is visualstudio.microsoft.com. We'll click on that and we'll click on free download. So we have basically three options available here: enterprise, professional, and community. But both professional and enterprise is a free trial version, but we have to pay for it to have it to use it for a long time. But a community version, it's a free version and it's free for students and individual contributors, and so we can use this for our learning purpose. So after you download it, you can click cancel here, and here we'll have the Visual Studio Community version installer exe. So guys, once you have downloaded this exe, you can click on open and you can say yes and you can say continue. Once you run that exe, you will get this kind of a page, and here you can select which type of workloads that you want to have in your Visual Studio. So this part you can later on also you can install, but as of now we are doing C++ development, right? We are going to learn C++. So what you can check is C++. So here you will have these many options. So for as of now, whatever is selected as default, you can keep it as it is, and you can select C# if you want. But again, this will increase the space that it will be requiring for storing all these libraries and data while getting installed. So you can skip this part as of now and you can just say C++ desktop development. So yeah, then we can say it's only 9 GB, so I can click on this as well. So 12.95 GB. So make sure your PC has this much space available, so it's for the smooth installation. So yeah, this and this, and you can say click install. So now it has started installing, and you can see it will start after installation. So it is ticked, it means this, because of this it will start once it is completely installed. So yeah, so this will take some time. As you can see, it is downloading pretty fast here, but looks like it will take some time. So once it is downloaded, it will start the application Visual Studio 2019. So it has total 455 packages that it is installing. Out of that, 69 has been done. You can just ignore this. This is my old Visual Studio 2017. So this part is not necessary that you will see. You can see it if you have Visual Studio 2017 installed in your PC earlier. But if you don't have, this window will not show up. This part will not come up in your window. So just relax. Only this part is of use. Okay guys, so once it is installed, I'll resume the video. So hey guys, you can see now the installation is almost completed, and once it is completed, it will launch Visual Studio application. And if you don't see it is launching, then it will ask you to restart your computer. So once you restart, you can directly see Visual Studio 2019 option in your search bar. So as you can see now, here it has asked me to launch the application. So you can just click on launch button and Visual Studio 2019 will just start. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up. That keeps me motivated to bring such learning videos for you guys. And also we have started our C++ basics series where we are starting C++ tutorials from scratch, which will make sure you learn C++ from basics. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload any of the new videos in this series, you get notified. Make sure guys you follow us on Instagram at Coding Grammar and all our handles like our website and our YouTube channel.